That is good. Walk with me. I'm gonna make a salad from some of our favorite salad plants in the greenhouse. This is my favorite, Longevity Spinach. It's touted to fight inflammation, reduce blood sugar, and lower blood pressure. None of this is medical advice. That's why I said it's touted to do these things. It's not actually a spinach, which is in the Spinacea oleracea family. This is the Gynura family. Longevity is similar to spinach, but far superior in taste, texture, and touted health benefits. Next, we'll visit Longevity Spinach's close cousin, the Okinawa Spinach. Okinawa is gonna add some color and pizzazz with a spicy lemon pepper taste. Like Longevity, it's actually not a real spinach either. Both Okinawa and Longevity grow short and compact, just a couple feet, perfect for indoors or small spaces. And they're both super hardy. This is where we dump all our old soil, and these grew up anyway. We don't take care of these at all, just neglected here, and it didn't really like the 20-degree weather, some of these leaves, but look at this, new growth. You don't want to snip off all the leaves, so you generally want to grow them out before you start chopping. Snipping off the top leaves actually encourages more growth. Our next 3 salad ingredients are South Sea salad trees. They grow 6 to 8 feet outdoors. You can eat the leaves raw or cooked. And bonus, the hibiscus-like flowers are edible too. Auntie Lilli's add some nice color to your salad. Chief Kubo's adds a fun shape to your salad. Kiko's Crump adds a nice color and texture. We also sell K-Tuck Sweet Leaf, but these are still coming out of dormancy, so I'm gonna skip that. This one's coming up nicely though. Get that up for sale in a month or so. There is one more salad plant, the Chaya spinach, but I'm not gonna add it. The leaves are toxic unless they're cooked, so I'm gonna stay away from that. But side note, butterflies love it, and it's not toxic to them. Let's grab some herbs. You won't find any of these on our website because they don't ship well, but I'm gonna put them on anyway. Gonna grab some cilantro, lemon thyme, rosemary, some kind of mint. That looks pretty good. I am gonna need some kind of dressing. These olive trees are still years from producing, so I'm gonna skip ahead to this. This is 100% Moroccan olive oil, which will make my habibi happy. That's actually really good. It doesn't taste like lettuce, spinach, your typical salad. So I don't know if it's actually gonna add 20 years to my life, but it's gonna be a lot better than the breakfast I had.